Now, my Victoria sponge cake uses ground almonds as well as flour for flavor and texture. I want my butter to be nice and soft for this. I always cream the butter and sugar to get lots of air inside. Victoria sponge cake is an English creation, and it was named after Queen Victoria, surprisingly enough. And it was the first recipe I ever learned. This is self-rising flour, which means it already has the baking powder in there, which is handy. Tea is a very serious business in Ireland. We just have one kind. It's good old-fashioned black tea, and everybody takes it a really specific way. If it's too weak, they say, that's dishwater. And if it's too strong, they say, you could stand a spoon up in that. There's no hiding imperfections with frosting on this cake, so I want to make sure that it definitely doesn't stick. Now, a Victoria sponge cake is also called a Victoria sandwich because I'm gonna sandwich these with jam and cream. First, these just need to cool down. These are gonna stack better if I flatten the tops. You can absolutely eat this bit. I love strawberry jam. Not all the way to the edges, because you know what's gonna happen when that top cake goes on. More jam. Believe it or not, this is the dessert that I eat when I don't want something that's too sweet. As I always say, save your bottom for the top. Just a little squish. I want to see the filling, but not have it ooze out the sides. And a quick shake of sugar. I say this every time, but this is my favorite. This is a cake fit for the Queen herself, or the queen of baking.